Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing a product review with Born Pretty. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today we're going to be using this super top coat. I've been wanting to get this for quite some time. So looking in the bottle, it looks like it has a liquidy consistency, which I think is perfect for me because with top coats, I don't want it to be too thick because it adds extra thickness to the nail. So the thinner, the better. Here I have some nonstick hand extension nail gel. This is NG S11 or NSG11, sorry. And it's reminds me of like an egg color with some silver flecks in it. I really think that is pretty. The next one we have is NSG13, and this one is a holographic glitter. It's clear nonstick hand gel, and I love the color off of that. So I definitely have some ideas of what I'm going to do today. This next one here is NSG15, and this one is like a I would say like a pinkish nude color with some I don't want to say gold flecks, maybe some iridescent flecks in there. And last but not least, we have NSG19, and this is an Aurora nonstick hand extension gel. And this looks completely dreamy. So today what I'm going to do is I am going to be doing the lazy girl method with this nonstick hand extension nail gel. I don't really see it that much. I see it done with like polygel and acrylics. So this nonstick hand extension gel is very versatile. You can use it for carving gel. You can also use it on a nail form to form your nail. The videos they have on their website show you just patting the gel with your finger onto your natural nail as just like a coating. But in this case, I am going to be doing the lazy girl method. So I've got my 5XL tips, full cover tips. I'm not going to mention the brand because this is about Born Pretty today, but I just took a dollop of this NSG11. That's the white with the silver flecks in it. And I'm going to be spreading this at the base of the nail and doing a pointed, I don't want to say pointed tip, but a pointed shape. And as I'm doing this, I'm thinking, well, you know, I should probably cure it so that it holds the shape. But then I thought, let's just leave it organic because I don't want to add more thickness to this nail. So if I were to cure this, I would have to put more on top to do the lazy girl method. And so we're just going to have this done organically. And at the end of this video, I am going to be defining these, I don't want to say nail tips, these little pointy cutouts with some iridescent rhinestones. And if you want to get any of these items that you see here today, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, along with my 10% discount code. Using this definitely helps me out, so I greatly appreciate your support. So with this NSG13, I'm just putting this over the rest of the nail, and I'm just going to fill the rest in. When you're doing this, you want to just check the other side to see if you have any air pockets, because that might happen. You just put the, push that the air bubble away by using the I'm using a silicone or my cuticle pusher. But yeah, then I'm gonna just place this on my nail and cure it with it, and that's pretty much the lazy girl method. So I'm going to be taking the NSG 15 and I'm going to be doing pretty much the same thing onto the next nail here. I'm not sure what kind of glitters. It's very mystical. I really love nude colors, and the fact that this has some glitter in it, it's just making it look that much better. I did put a base coat, you guys, but I put one coat of a peel off base coat. I put one coat because I don't want these to go away quickly. I think if you do 2 layers, these guys will pop off probably the same day, if not the next day. I feel like when you do one coat, they do tend to last a little longer. I actually was on the fence on whether or not I wanted to use the peel off, so I actually also did the pH bond and acid-free primer before I put the peel off. So this might actually last longer than a week. So we'll see what happens. So now I'm taking NSG 19 and I'm going to do the same thing I did with the other nail, just fill in the rest of this nail. I love this Aurora non-stick hand extension nail gel. I mean, look at that mix in the pot alone. But as you place this onto the nail and you maneuver it with whatever you have to maneuver it, you're pushing that color into its own organic, like undulating wave type thing. And you'll see what I'm talking about when I show the finished image in the end. But it does end up looking really Aurora-like. So I think I need to get different, they have different colors on their website, so I think I'm gonna have to end up getting the other Aurora colors. So the next 2 nails is the pinky and the ring finger, and they're gonna pretty much be the same techniques that we did for the thumb and the index finger, and I'll pop back in when I do the middle finger. after I wrap this nail up, we're going to do the middle finger, and I thought that it would be really cool to try some marbling. So I'm just going to take all of these non-stick hand extension nail gel, and I'm going to be putting dollops of it randomly onto the nail. Looking back at this now, I wish that I marbled it a little bit more. It still came out great, but I should have been more aggressive with the marbling. Just you want to be careful sometimes because these colors are just so light. Like, I didn't want to have to mix this up like I'm doing here too much to where they blended into a new color, if that makes any sense. But it really didn't. I probably should have checked the underside to make sure that it wasn't doing that, because it really wasn't. I definitely could have mixed this a lot more. But I'm just now smoothing everything out so that I can place this on my nail and continue with the next steps of putting on some rhinestones. So I will I guess I can talk till then. It's almost up, I think. I try to like fit in decent amount of music in between, so I think if I just stop this now and put music, I'm only gonna pop in maybe like a minute later, so it's gonna cut off the song, and I hate that. And don't you hate that? Especially if it's a good beat. But anyway, so I did put some rhinestone glue. I'm not going to mention the brand name today, but then I'm using that super top coat over it. Now I have these AB crystals, and they're flat back, but there's no backing to it. Like there's no mylar, so it looks more of a delicate AB than a regular one that you would see. And I'm just like I said, I'm lining up that pointy nail area. I thought it would be better. I thought that like these would be organic, fade into the different colors. So then I thought it would be great to use these delicate AB crystals to kind of define the I guess these would be French, right? Okay, so the French part of this nail. I did the same for the pinky and the ring finger, and then for the middle finger, I'm just going to outline the different color change with some of the rhinestones. I'm not going to go all the way from one side to the other. I'm just going to stop, like, I don't know, in the middle somewhere. Just don't want to go all the way through to the other side. I want this to be open because this is the marble part of the nail, so it's not going to be as symmetrical as the other nails were. But this is pretty much the set, you guys. Let's show you the end result. Here is my, I don't know, my Glitz and Glam, maybe that's what I'll call it, nails. I love how these turned out. This is the Lazy Girl method, and all I had to do was pat down that nail hand extension gel into the full cover tips, and it produced this result here. And I told you guys with the Aurora one, because we manipulated it into that nail, it created all these interesting waves in there, so it definitely looks Aurora like. I really hope that you enjoyed this design today. Again, if you would like to get any of these items, I will leave the link in the description box below along with my 10% discount code. It'll help me out if you use it, and I thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And catch me again. We have Saturday night at the Improv. I'll see you again. Thanks. Bye.